Oppo may be preparing a new high-end tablet, and early leaks suggest it could be one of the company's most powerful models yet. The details come from well-known Weibo tipster Digital Chat Station, who posted the specifications of the device. The Pad 5 Pro is reportedly built around a 13.2-inch display, which would make it one of the larger Android tablets currently in development. While not much is known about the display panel yet, it's expected to feature a high resolution and possibly a high refresh rate. For context, the Pad 4 Pro packs a 2400 by 3392 IPS LCD display that refreshes at 144 Hz. Powering the tablet could be Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. If that turns out to be accurate, the Pad 5 Pro would sit firmly in the flagship category, offering strong performance for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. As for the battery, the leak mentions a rated capacity of 11,905 mAh. The typical capacity is expected to reach around 13,000 mAh. The device is said to support 67W fast charging, just like the predecessor. The Pad 5 Pro is rumored to include an 8MP front camera for video calls and a 13MP rear camera, mainly intended for document scanning and occasional photography. Storage and memory configurations include 8GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 256GB, 12GB plus 512GB, and 16GB plus 512GB variants. In the comments of the original post, the tipster hinted that the tablet could arrive around April 2026, possibly alongside a new flagship smartphone. However, pricing details remain unclear for now.